The following is an analysis of I Hear A Rhapsody measures 17 through 24. Here's measure 17. There we have a rather thick 5-part texture on beats 2 and 3. We start out with this G minor 6th voicing, then a G minor major 7th voicing with a 9th in the alto voice, and then a G minor 6 in the last triplet of the quarter note triplet of beats 3 and 4. Measure number 18. Measure number 18, we're using an A diminished 7th chord. I opted, instead of using the 2, 3, 4, 6 voicing, I used the open string on the 5th string to give it a fuller effect. And actually, I'm letting that ring as I do this descending chromatic riff. Okay, measure number 19. Measure number 19, I substituted, it's a G minor harmonization, but I substituted the 4 of the G minor chord scale. In other words, it would be a C minor. And then resolved it to a G minor voicing. Again with a descending bass line. Measure 20. All that is in measure 20 is an A-flat diminished 7th arpeggio, ascending and descending. But if you notice, if you connect the two measures, 19 and 20, on the other video where I play without commentary, you'll hear all of these connective links a lot more effectively because there won't be any commentary. And you'll be able to see how these particular arrangements are a lot more effective than just banging out block chords. Okay, measure number 21. Measure 21 is just a B-flat major 7th chord, 5-note voicing. And then in the beats 3 and 4, I used a B-flat triad with an added 9th. Measure 22. Measure 22, we have an addition of the 2-part voicing with an ascending bass line, taking us to measure 23. So it's just a continuation of that 2-part texture. Measure 24. Measure 24. Beat number 2. First I did a pedal tone, the open D, which would be the 5th of the G7th chord. Then in beat number 2 I use a C-sharp diminished triad in lieu of the C minor chord, so it's reharmonized. Beat number 3 was just a F-sharp diminished 7th chord, 3-note voicing. And in beat number 4 I use a G7 augmented 11 flat 9 chord with that bass note, that D note continued, that pedal tone, creating an interesting dissonant effect. Thank you.